Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to be tackling a common problem with door jambs. The door jamb is all rotted out here, and now it's detached from the threshold. The door's in pretty good shape, so we're going to try to save it. If that's you and you're in a jam, I can help you out. Let's get to it. So first what we're going to do is pull this weather stripping off. This is the little kerf style, slips in the slot. And we're just going to pull this back so we can work on the jamb. Next I'm going to get my pry bar and slip it in the brick mold and just pry that out a little bit from the jamb itself, because this is metal wrapped and I don't want to disturb that. There we go. Now if you're doing a door that goes into a room, you're gonna have casing on the other side. I'm in a little shed water heater room here outside, so there is no casing on the other side, but you will need to pull that if you're doing an exterior door that goes into the house. Now I'm gonna remove my threshold. That one came out easy. Now if you are gonna do this type of repair, don't do a little 6-inch piece. Make sure you get up so you're replacing enough wood so it doesn't look tacky. I'm going to take my speed square and mark Sweet multi-tool. Now let's remove that piece. Got a little bit of the brick mold on it. Clip the nails with your side cutters. Make sure you watch your eyes. $25 3/4. Now I'm going to use this jamb material. It's exterior door jamb. You can see it's got the slot right there for the weather stripping, and it's also got this funky cut already on it. This is $20 from the depot, and really the only material you can use to replace this kind of thing. I'm going to cut it from the back. This guy slips in here. And make sure you fit it flush to the front and the back. All right, I got a little bit of a plane difference here. This new piece slips back a little farther right there. So we're gonna do something like, let's put a stir stick behind it to build it out a little bit. There we go. Make sure it's good here. It's gonna need a bit more. All right, that's looking good. Now we're gonna shoot this guy in. Now we're gonna fill the crack with some painter's caulk. I like to just push it all in there and then wipe off the excess. Quarter-inch finger trowel. Now we clip the nails on our threshold. Other side goes in first, and then we slip this guy right down into place. Weather stripping goes back on. Let's make sure we're shutting. Looking good. All right, we are looking good. You can see the seam right there, but it's looking awesome. So that's it, super easy. We just took the bottom of that rotted door jamb, cut and installed some new jamb material, reinstalled the weather stripping, and we got out of having to replace that door. So for the Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.